Hello guys, welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, and I remain your host. As a matter of fact, if today is your first time you come into our channel, please subscribe and like and share our video. Also click on the notification button so that you can get notified whenever we upload new video. As for our subscribers, our fans out there, please, I want to say a big welcome to you once again. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you all for supporting us, and I tell you, you will not regret it. Are you getting it? For you that is returning to us, our channel, make sure you also copy the link and share. Thank you. And for those of you who want to buy a recipe or organic ingredient, yes, let me use this medium of time to tell you that we ship everywhere, wherever you are in the world, whether in US, Canada, Asia country, UK, Europe, Africa, or Nigeria also. We ship everywhere. We can always ship or deliver to you. Trust us. Okay, and again, a quick one. I want to do this one real quick because people be asking me some questions about whitenings and whitening oils and whitening concentrate. The thing is that, you see, as the English implies, whitening oils and whitening concentrate, there is a big white difference. Yeah, big one. You see, a lot of people, they felt maybe you can replace anyone for anyone. Yes. At the same time, when you replace it for anyone, it could just be on one aspect, not on your skin. The question came like, can I apply whitening concentrate into my body? Now I said, you just can't do that. That thing is very, very, very dangerous. You can apply whitening oil to an extent. Depends on that oil into your skin, but not a whitening concentrate. Some of all this concentrate and then tubes, they are just the same. A whitening concentrate is just a low level of low level of tube in aspect of steroid. They are all steroid, but it's just in low level of it. So I could tell you that where the God's name do you think you can apply? Can't you hear the name Concentrate? Are you getting it? As the name implies, you should know this thing is, it's not just an oil, a whitening oil, maybe some of those whitening oil that maybe those ones are like a fruit acid, you can just apply them, or it's maybe small. You see this instruction in there that you can apply this to your skin at any time. Fine. But this one is not, there's no way, I bet you, any of those concentrates that you can use, they say you can apply it directly to your skin. Never. You're going to burn yourself. You're going to cause damage to yourself. And a very good example is pimentos. That you see pimentos and you want to apply pimentos to your body. For God's sake, you can't do that. You just can't do that. Are you getting it? Yes, that is a very strong concentrate. If you want to use pimentos, how would you use it? Let me do this as a giveaway. You understand? Yes. If you want to use pimento, it's a very whitening concentrate that you can use. I advise you, if you don't want to white too much, you can use half of it, into your lotion, 250 ml of your lotion. But if you really want to white that much, why not use all of it? You use all of it, put all of it into your lotion. You will see what I would do to your body. It could make you white. And again, no damages. Yeah, no damages. And then again, how about glutathione comprime serum? You know that serum? All in your screen, you can see them right now. Are you getting it? Just imagine the way as strong as glutathione. You not say you want to use it in your body. You don't want to burn your skin. For God's sake, What the God's name someone tell you that this concentrate you can use in your body? Are you getting it? If you want to use glutathione, that serum, you can just use, you want to get white. Yes, put all of it into your lotion. You'll get white. Now you're going to put into your body. Now, I didn't tell you that. These are high concentrated. So these two serum that I just called for you, these are really highly concentrated serum that you can use on your lotion. So I've given you this information. Don't you use this serum alone on your skin. So that is that. I remain AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. You can check us on Instagram and Facebook also, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. That is just our handle. And for those of you, once again, who wants to buy skincare recipe, organic product, or you want to buy on your cosmetic, you can call out us the number on your screen. Yes, just call out us. We ship everywhere. Europe, Asia country, UK, Canada, US, Africa, even in Nigeria. Everywhere we ship to. Are you getting it? Count on us. And I say one more time, thanks to you, all of my subscribers, all of our fans out there. Thanks to you. And for those of you who come in to lie to me, you want to buy a recipe, and you think when you deceive me, you want to buy a recipe, then I will drop those recipes for you. Don't do that. I might just make you fail too, because you're deceiving me, you're lying to me. I will support you to fail. Because if you say, oh, now drop your account number, drop your account details. Oh, you didn't put this one, you didn't put a measurement, and you make me, I just put a measurement for you. Never. That's my key. It's my own key. I'm going to tell you, okay, pack all of the items I mentioned into your cream, because you're lying to me, and you will go do that. So we'll lose. So stop doing that. I have the key, not you. Once again, appreciate. Bye-bye.